This is a video of a 1990 Suzuki four-wheel drive mini truck. This truck has 47,782 miles. It has rear locking differential, and it also has cold air conditioning, which is kind of unusual for a mini truck, but the air works very nicely on this truck. I used it on the way up. The truck has pretty good looking body panels. There is one small dent right here. I don't know if you can see that, but here's the door panel on the passenger side. And the roof. And the front of the truck. This truck does not have new tires, but it has good tires. Frame looks good and clean too. The bed is in very good shape. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the inside now. The door panels on the truck look very good. Truck runs really well. Seats are in good shape. Does have one small tear up there in the corner. Headliner is dirty, but it's in good shape. There's the passenger seat, no tears. Floor mat, I just washed it off, so it's wet. And the dashboard. And like I said, this truck has air conditioning, which is nice, and it also has diff lock. Diff lock is an extra measure of traction when you're in a very difficult situation. How the truck climbs a hill in fourth gear, and this is climbing nicely, and it's accelerating up the hill, which is a good sign of good compression and engine power. If you're interested in this truck, you can check it out on mayberryminitrucks.com, or you can email us at mayberryminitrucks@gmail.com, or you can call us at area code 336-337-5725. Thanks for watching our video.